What does this local charity drop-off have in common with a Gilded Age mansion? This gem of an architectural detail. Do you know the fancy word for this? You know, that covered entrance where you can drive up and get out of the car without getting wet? It's called a porte cochere. It's a French term that literally means coach door. Back in the day, these architectural features were all the rage among the upper crust. Horse-drawn carriages would pull up to grand houses, and their passengers were sheltered from the elements. They were like giant umbrellas for your house. They came in all shapes and sizes. Take the Glessner House in Chicago, for example. Its porte cochere is a subtle addition, almost mirroring the amazing front door. When the door is open, it reveals a secret courtyard. Fast forward to today, and porte cocheres are still very popular. You'll spot them at hotels, retirement homes, and even your local hospital. So impress your friends by telling them you'll meet them under the porte cochere, because overhead thingy just doesn't sound as cool.